Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Blender can read the file, open Preferences, and enable the Wavefront OBJ importer. Once done, gather the OBJ, MTL, and any textures into one folder so Blender can link materials automatically. Make sure file names match exactly, because mismatches break texture paths. Next, save your Blender project in the same parent folder to keep relative paths. This prevents broken links when you import. Now you're ready to open the import dialog and bring the model into your scene. You choose File Import Wavefront, then set forward and up axes to match the source. This prevents the model from rotating or flipping unexpectedly. Once imported, inspect Scale and Origin. Use Object Mode and apply scale with Control plus A to normalize transforms so modifiers behave predictably. If shading looks wrong, enter Edit Mode and use Recalculate Normals. This fixes lighting and smoothing artifacts. Make sure Keep Vert Order was toggled if you need consistent vertex indexing for simulations or rig trans. You now verify materials and textures by opening the shader editor and confirming image texture nodes point to the correct files. If they are missing, relink or pack them into the blend. Once done, switch to Look Dev or Rendered View to confirm UV mapping and surface normals are correct. This shows the real result. Finally, tidy the scene. Join, rename, and apply modifiers. If something goes wrong, check the MTL file for incorrect paths, or re-export the OBJ with embedded material references as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.